Today we are building a 5-star luxury bee and bug resort. It's beginner and kid friendly. If you can use wood glue and collect sticks on a nature walk, you are qualified. I'll be using foraged cottage materials and dollar store supplies to make something that looks beautiful and is actually safe for our pollinator friends. Let's get started and make some cozy insect cabins for the garden. Hi everyone, welcome. I'm Lisa.
And I'm Mark.
And we're the Yohos. So my original thought was to pull all these scraps out of the woodshed and try to figure something out on my own. But then I thought about it and thought not everybody has a Mark to nail gun all these pieces together or cut the pieces that needed to be cut, because I do not cut anything on the saw. So I pivoted and thought I think it would be better to have this video a little more beginner DIY friendly. So let's get started. I'm pretty excited to show you how stinking cute this little condo turned out. I got the goods. The lady in the store asked what I was buying and I didn't want to tell her I had a YouTube channel. I was too embarrassed, so I said I was making some crafts for kids. I think this is going to be cute. So let's get home and get working on this. So I ended up going with these 3 little crates. Now they are natural. They haven't been finished with anything, and I think I'm just going to leave them as is. I don't want to keep it critter friendly. I'm also using some clothes peg that I don't even know where they came from, as well as these little bits and bobs that were in my stash forever. Again, anything you can get your hands on. I also too, like you saw, I did go to the cottage in the spring and I had this little craft in mind since then. I brought a bunch of sticks home. I had already had some pine cones, so I thought this would be the perfect and very beginner, easy to do craft for anybody of all ages. Now, you have no idea how long it took me standing in the dollar store to figure out this configuration. I'm going to stick these 2 crates end to end, and then I'm going to stick that little house on the top. We already have hooks along our fence. I figured that hole can hook right onto the hooks that we have back there, so it'll work out perfectly. We've got some heavy duty wood glue as well, of course, because I'm not sure how else you'd stick this together. So I'm going to build up each one of these floors as best as I can, and then I'm going to stick it together. I feel it's going to be easier to work on the individual piece rather than trying to wait for that glue to dry. And these clothes pegs, I don't know, I just love the look of them. I am just going to glue them side to side to side to side and use them inside the one floor, and I'm not exactly sure how, but I'm going to. I figure this is a fun little kind of crawl in and get cozy kind of a spot for a bug. Now again, I am just using little scraps that I've had forever because I never throw anything out. These little quarter bits of popsicle sticks, as well as these little wood bits that I got at the cottage. I'm pretty sure these are all the makings of a cozy little bug hotel. Once I finished stacking all these cute little logs, I then took the clothespins. Get lost. At this point, they were pretty dry to move, so I just kind of wedged them right down on top of the little logs. That way I can start to figure out my plan for above here. Now, I'm not too sure what I'm going to do yet. So while I think about that one, I'm just going to move on to the other level and work on that one. So I decided on these little blocks. I literally just glued them right to the corners and stacked them up like a little platform. And I was originally going to use this little terracotta pot, but I don't know, something in me just decided not to. And I, again, did another pivot and thought of something different to do. This is so much fun. It's kind of weird to say it too, but it's almost like I'm like trying to imagine little bugs crawling in here in a cute, not disgusting way. But I feel like all of these little alcoves and all of these little tiny little holes and crevices will be a perfect little spot for them. I was considering spraying this with like a clear coat of spray paint, but I figure it's not that big of a deal if it starts to rot. It is for bugs. Our fence that it's going to hang on is facing south, so it will get sun all day long through the summer. So I'm not concerned with it getting kind of waterlogged. I will probably take it off in the winter, but yeah, I think it's going to be a cozy little spot. I don't know why I kept this. I don't even know if we have the lights anymore, but this was one of the little plastic covers for one of the lights. So I thought that would be kind of a cute little compartment. It's actually going to hang upside down, so I'm just sticking it down here with some wood glue onto a piece of wood. Once that's dry, I stuck it down onto the base. All of these little gaps I'm just going to stuff with some dried out plants from the backyard, and it is almost finished. I just have to glue the little roof part on and put it up on the fence. You guys, I want to thank you so much for watching, and if you try this little bee bug condo hotel, I don't even know what I want to call it, if you attempt this at home, let us know. We would love to hear from you. If you maybe got your grandkids together and did it with them, or with a friend, or by yourself, and where you're putting it, we want to hear all of it. So you guys, let us know in the comments. We will be there chit-chatting with you, to whoever comments. And with that, you guys, we want to say thank you so much for watching and following along, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Mark's in the midst of making a Star Wars thing. His third one, you guys. Third one. That's amazing. What's it called again?
It's called an AT-AT. AT-AT. It's a snow walker from the Empire Strikes
Oh, yes. They have those big, long legs, four of them.
Big, long, that's right.
And I think those are the bottoms of the feet there.
Those are the feet at the bottom, yes. So, you got it.
Yeah, so anyways, I'm using his wood glue if he would share with me. Please and thank you, sir. Oh, he's already put it there for me. Perfect. Okay,